Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I painted a portrait from start to finish. First, I'll sketch a few ideas for composition on my sketchbook. This step is usually very quick, especially when I already know what kind of elements to combine. So yes, no surprise, it will be a portrait. But instead of what I usually did, which is to replicate a photo reference that I found on Pinterest, this month I want to practice creating a narrative. So it will be not only about how the face looks like, but also where he or she is, whether the subject is alone or with someone else, and etc. And in today's video, I want to paint her under the water, among those beautiful flowing seaweed. In order to see how it would potentially look like, I tested my color palette here. Black, dark blue, blue, orange, red-orange. Orange and blue are complementary colors. When they are paired together, it brings a striking visual effect. You can find this kind of visual effect in many art and design examples. For example, in Van Gogh's painting of his bedroom and some of his self-portraits. To be honest, I didn't think of what I just explained to you at all until video editing. I was simply inspired by an image of yellow-orangish seaweed flowing in the dark blue ocean. Sometimes I feel I can learn a lot just by observing the nature. Eventually, painting is about seeing. By the way, I forgot to record my pencil sketch part because I was super excited about this new paper I bought last week from Business. It's hot-pressed watercolor paper, 100% cotton, high quality, super smooth. Among all the steps, I enjoy this painting part the most. Since I've already planned the composition and put down the final sketch on paper, there is no stress from making big mistakes. And of course, it's still very flexible for me to do some corrections or experiments. Pretty therapeutic and fun at the same time, I feel. I also love it when I do finishing touches. And some dots here and a few lines there, the picture improves immediately right in front of me. But if you ask me which step I don't enjoy, perhaps the fear when I'm faced with the blank paper. I was actually even more nervous today because it will be my first try with this brand. The paper size is bigger than my usual sketch pages, and the paper is also more expensive. But once I put mark down, everything is pure satisfaction. Ka-chang, ka-chang from this angle, and from this angle, and just one more. I think that's about it. Thanks very much for watching. As I enjoy making YouTube videos more and more, so I decide to upload new video every week. If you enjoyed this one, welcome to subscribe my channel. And let me know what you'd like to see in the future perhaps. See you next time. Bye bye.